Yeah, hello guys. I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your Hamster token today. So after logging, like after launching the mini app, the first thing you do is click on the airdrop section down here. Then after you scroll down, you see all those exchanges there. Then you click on the exchange you want to use. I'll be using Bybit. Then you click on yes, I have it. Then from there you can see Bybit UID here, Hamster deposit address and memo. You get your Bybit UID from your Bybit app on Go. So let's go to Bybit. Okay, here is it there. Then you click on the Bybit. You wait for a while for it to load. After loading, then you click on. You can see your UID here. So you try to like copy it. Oh, that's a mistake. Okay, so you click on copy here. Click on the UID. Then need to copy. As you can see here, I've copied mine already. Then I'll go back to the Telegram app. Okay, and I'll go back to Telegram. Then I'll paste the UID I copied here. Then I'll go back for my Hamster deposit address. Then from there, click on deposit. So after I click on deposit, it will load. Then when it's done loading, you then like search. You search for HMSTR. That's hamster. As you can see here, you click on the hamster token. Then it will ask you for the chain you want to use. That will be done. As you can see here, you can see my deposit address here up here, and you can see my memo or tag here. Then you copy the deposit address. Then you go back. You go back to Telegram. Go back to Telegram. Then you paste the deposit address here. You can see they called me. Then you paste it there. Then after you go back to the app again, you copy your memo or tag. You copy the tag. Then you go back. Then you paste it there. Then you save and choose. As you can see here, we are done with it. Then you are ready. You are ready to go. You can see here that it has already registered here. So you can try and like edit it if you want. Yeah, thank you guys. Please make sure to subscribe. Okay. Yeah, bye guys. Have a nice day.